Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the exact clip you'll edit. Open Instagram and locate the reel or story moment you want. If the content is reusable, either use Instagram's Shared a Message feature or screen record at 1080p to retain detail. Once done, trim immediately to the key moment. Keep it under 30 seconds so edits stay quick and focused. Make sure to note the original tempo and visual rhythm because that will inform cuts and sync later. You now import the trimmed clip into your chosen editor, CapCut, Premiere Rush, or a mobile DAW, so you can control frames and audio precisely. Set the project to match the source, typically 30 FPS and 1080p, so no resampling artifacts appear. Next, align cuts to motion or audio beats, nudge cuts by 5 to 1, 0 seconds to get natural flow. If you add overlays or speed ramps, place them where motion energy. You finish by exporting with platform-friendly settings. H, 264 or HEVC, 1080p at 8 to 12 Mbps, and sRGB color to avoid shifts. Once exported, verify audio loudness, normalize to roughly -14 LUFS, so playback is consistent across devices. If the upload shows compression artifacts or audio glitches, re-export at a higher bitrate or, better, re-record the original clip inside Instagram at native resolution. Troubleshoot by comparing the file before upload and after platform processing to pinpoint the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.